What's up, everybody? I'm Brian from I Want Tesla, and it is springtime. So springtime, you do some spring cleaning, and what better way than a Tesla spring cleaning video? Now, this is not your typical Tesla video. I'm not testing anything. I'm not adding anything to my car or anything, but you know, I've got a lot of Tesla stuff in the garage, and I need to put them somewhere because, well, the garage is a mess right now. I just got done wrapping a car, and I need to clean it anyway, but I also need to organize things so it's not so crammed. Because let me show you some of the mess that I have here, and my wife's gonna hate this part of the video, but let me show you. So I have these quick jacks I'm gonna put on, they're already set up to go on the wall right here. That's not a problem. Both hang up there, but I have stuff everywhere. I have vinyl places. I have heaters that I'm not gonna be using now. I need to move them somewhere. I have a compressor around the corner that's kind of just sitting there. I have wheels right here. I also have a set of wheels up here for our Plaid Model S. These are the 19-inch wheels, and I don't like that system because it hangs right over top of my car, and I mean, it's probably not going to fall, but it's kind of scary. It also blocks some of the light, so I don't want that up there. I have a ladder kind of sitting there, which kind of takes away from this area. It's just, I want to get things off the ground, move things around. I need space over there. All of this can go somewhere, I think up here. Similar to what I did over here. I built this a while ago, and I just had some racks, some plastic racks here that I used for the base, and I kind of threw this up there just to hide some stuff. So this company reached out to me, and they said, we'd like to sponsor a video. What would you like that we make? And they make this rack. This is a 4-foot by 8-foot rack. Now it's in white, which is really cool because it's gonna kind of blend in up there and not block anything. It's not going to block the light, and any light that does hit it, it's going to reflect it, which is awesome. You can adjust the height. You can have 600 pounds up there, so those wheels are very heavy. Those would be no problem up there, and have tons of space. 8 foot, so 4 foot out, which is plenty of space here, and 8 foot across. There's going to be a lot of storage up there. Flex Mounts did send this out to me for free for my opinion of this, how it goes together. All you have to do is find the rafters. Super easy. I'll show you a trick how to do that. Bolts, it just hangs down from the ceiling. You don't attach it to the wall. I'm gonna unbox everything. I'm gonna take everything apart out of this and show you what it looks like. Show you all the pieces. All right, so this is really nice. This is how big this is going to be. It's gonna sit up there, which is awesome. Comes with great directions and also a template for, or when you do find support on in the ceiling, you can see exactly where things mount, all the bracketry and everything, and should be some screws in here. Here's a tip for you. When you're looking for a stud or a support, I believe mine run this way, but if you take magnets, there's a bunch of magnets in this, and look for a dimple, but you can kind of run it across and try to feel where right there. There's one. It stays there, and then you can measure from there and kind of get an idea which way they run. But bring the tape measure up with you. So I got help. So what we're gonna do is, this is the front piece. I'm gonna attach it to the long side, and my dad's gonna hold the other side while I get it in place. You'll see, hopefully. So, and just like that, everything's hand tight, and I'm gonna tighten everything up fully, and then we'll be able to attach the other side. Alright, so it's up. Not all the screws are in place, but it still holds me. I had to angle these back a little bit, so it's kind of forcing it back to the wall, which is fine, because once there's weight on here, it's not gonna move. But this could be a nice little spare bedroom for guests that you don't like. Put a bed up here, and it'll be nice and hot in the summertime, but you know, it's definitely gonna hold everything. I still gotta bolt these things together in between the middle here, but everything's all solid. It's moving, but it's solid. I mean, I'm not 600 pounds, but it's definitely gonna hold quite a bit. So it's all up. All I have to do now is go through and bolt everything together. I did the middle pieces. It looks really good. You can see that I do have mine at an angle because my beams ran this way and I really couldn't find another one on this side. So I just ran across that beam. I think it looks better this way anyway, with them going straight across instead of them sticking out. I like it better this way. And this little angle, that little angle isn't bad because it kind of helps push it back into place. It's still gonna hold it just fine. But I'm gonna go through and bolt everything together and start putting things away. If you're looking for a rack like this or a rack like this, they do make one that you can motorize up or use a drill and lift up to the ceiling. They do make this. This is a lot cheaper, a lot easier to use, although you can store a lot more on here for the money versus this. But yeah, there's a link down below where you can order yours, save some money. Use my discount code, get your rack. They come in different colors. I got the white because it kind of would disappear a little bit. Because everything else is white in here. And clean up your garage. You know, there's a lot of people posting pictures of their Tesla garages, of, they paint a wall, they do something like this. This is a great way to get stuff off of the ground, move stuff out of the way so you can enjoy your Tesla section with your garage section. And clean things up, because I'm kind of messy right here. I gotta clean all that up. And now I've got places for things. So I'm gonna get to cleaning. So already I'm super happy. I got a bunch of stuff off of the ground. I got those tires out of here, so they're not gonna, I don't think they would have fell anyway, but it's just, it was making shadows in this when I'm filming, and it's just nice having those gone up over here. I'm gonna be selling those. I have a curbed wheel. I'm gonna do a video on how to fix a curbed wheel, but I didn't do it. Don't tell Karen, but she did it. I'm gonna sell those. Those are the 19-inch wheels for a Plaid Model S. But I got a bunch of stuff up here. What's really cool is my compressor right here. I'm gonna strap down and then I can plug it in here, bring a hose down and use it. And everything is up there solid. Nothing's bowing. This holds 600 pounds. But plenty of space in front of the car here. I can. Karen can park over a little bit more. We have more room on this side. I'm gonna clear a lot of this out. You don't need to see me clean my entire garage, but I'm super pleased with the shelf from Flex Mount. It's awesome. It really goes together pretty easily. It hangs at any height you want. I use my dad, but you don't really need to. You could probably do this by yourself, but I'm super happy with this. I'm gonna get more stuff up there, some of the lighter stuff that I have on top of the cabinet, clean that area out, and this is gonna be pretty much Tesla stuff. I mean, I do have my saw up there, but I'm gonna be using that soon. I'm building the deck. Again, thanks for FlexMount for sending this out. And again, use their link down below and save some money. Get a rack for yourself. They have different sizes. You can do all sorts of stuff with them. You can customize it however you want to. But make your Tesla garage. A lot of people like doing that. Hang your Tesla stuff. You can probably paint that red if you want to before you put it up. But I think the white one just kind of doesn't stand out. Yes, there's other dark stuff up there, but I think it looks really good. What do you think? Again, this isn't the typical Tesla video. It is a Tesla spring cleaning video. A lot of Tesla stuff up there, but hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll either answer them or FlexMount will. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. As always, stay awesome, stay positive. I'll catch you on the next one.